NIU Advanced String Quartet Workshop provides high school students with the opportunity to study, polish, and perform great works of chamber music literature. I choose exciting music that challenges the students to develop their expressive and collaborative skills. Over the course of the workshop, I see tremendous growth in the students' musicianship.
Chamber music is a unique experience that involves collaboration in a way that isn't really present in other types of musical ensembles.
The music this year has been very difficult, but it's a good challenge for sure.
I think that everyone has the chance to get something out of it.